Hey guys, so as you know, in the past I've talked about different ways of sealing earthenware pottery. Since the primitive pottery I make is earthenware and porous, it's really important to me to provide to you different ways of sealing and therefore making usable this earthenware pottery. So in the past I've talked about sealing with oil, sealing with starches, and sealing with milk. Today I want to introduce you to a product called Liquid Quartz. And I should say right off the bat that this video is not sponsored. It's merely a product that I'm trying for the first time here on camera today. So this stuff is made in Australia and has to be shipped from Australia, and it's not cheap. So this 1 liter bottle cost me about $150 plus about $70 shipping. So it's quite costly, and I haven't used it before. So I'm told that this bottle will treat a number of vessels, but we will see how that goes because, like I said, I've never used it before. So on the video online, I saw them dipping it into a vat of this stuff. Now, I'm not going to buy a vat of it because, you know, it's $150 a liter, but it can be applied by a brush, and that's what I'm going to try today. So I've got this little mug that I made and fired at a pretty low temperature, probably around 720 Celsius. So it's quite porous, and it's quite permeable. And I'm going to try brushing on this liquid quartz. Now, from the videos I saw online, it looks like if you get a good treatment on it, the water will literally bead off of the material. So it should be a pretty good sealant if it works half as good as the stuff I've seen online and read about it. So it's totally non-toxic and food safe. You treat it right onto the surface of your earthenware, and it will make that water repellent. So let's see how that works. Okay, I treated the whole inside. I'm going to go ahead and let that set and dry, and then we'll come back and try a second coat. According to the instructions, you keep doing it until it beads on the surface. But actually here around the rim, it already looks like it's starting to bead, which is interesting. So I'll let that dry up and see how it does. Okay, I set it out in the sun for a little while, and it dried up real fast. I'm going to try another coat. Look at that. It's beading up right now. I can't even get it to go on. I can't get it to go on at all. It's just a couple places it's getting wet. In most places it's just rejecting it. Crazy. I'll make sure it's good down inside there. Oh, look at, I don't know if you can see it. Can you see it? There's a bead of water just rolling around inside there. I'm gonna try to get it on the camera, but I don't know. Now, I suppose it would be wise to coat the whole outside too, but since this stuff is priced like liquid gold, I kind of think maybe only the inside and around the lip where it's going to get wet on a regular basis. I mean, I could coat the whole thing, but I don't know, maybe I'm a cheapskate, but this stuff is pretty expensive, and I'd like to see this bottle I bought go as far as possible. So I'm just going to do the lip and the inside and call it good. I'm going to let this second coat dry, and it won't take long because it only soaked in a couple of places. And then I will try drinking out of it and see how that goes. All right, I ladled the liquid gold, or should I say liquid quartz, back into the bottle. And, you know, you can see how much it's down. It's not very much. So it didn't take a whole lot to do this mug. It is a small mug. So I'm going to make some tea, and we'll see how it does. Okay, moment of truth here. Almost too hot. Almost too hot still. All right, the liquid quartz seems to work okay. If you're interested in ordering some of this for yourself, I'll put the link down in the doobly-doo to where you can get this product. And if you're ordering a mug or something from me and you're interested in having it treated with liquid quartz, I can do that for an additional fee. So now there's another sealant you can try on your earthenware. I hope you find that helpful. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.